In today's video, I am going to teach you how to find a sum without using a formula in Excel. This method is great when you just need a quick total and you want to avoid typing any formulas. It uses the built-in calculation that Excel shows for the current selection. First, highlight cells A1 through A3. To do that, click cell A1. Then click and drag your mouse down through cell A2 and cell A3. As you drag, you should see all three cells selected with a highlighted border and shaded background. If you prefer, you can also click cell A1. Then hold the Shift key and click cell A3 to select the entire range at once. The important part is that you are selecting exactly A1, A2, and A3. This is the dataset Excel will add up for you. Once those cells are selected, the next step is to look at the status bar at the bottom right of the Excel window. Take a moment to move your eyes down to that lower area of the screen. The status bar usually shows information like average, count, and sum, depending on what is selected. For this method to work smoothly, you should make sure you are viewing the status bar and not a minimized ribbon or different window layout. Also, do not change the selection until you confirm the total you need. Excel updates the status bar based on the selection, so keeping your selection steady helps you avoid confusion. Now you are going to view the total value displayed next to the word sum. After you select cells A1 through A3, Excel should automatically calculate the sum and display it in the status bar. Look for the entry that says sum, and then look immediately to the right of that label. That number is the combined total of the values in cells A1, A2, and A3. This means you can get the result without writing a sum function or creating a formula. It is a fast way to verify totals, especially when you are checking whether your numbers are adding up correctly. As you confirm the total, consider what you are seeing. The status bar sum is calculated from the currently selected cells, so it reflects exactly those three cells you highlighted. If you decide to select a different range, the sum value will change accordingly. This is useful because it lets you quickly test different portions of your sheet. For example, if you select a different group of cells later, Excel will update the sum in the same place on the status bar. To help you follow along when you are practicing, you can use the example sheet that comes with the video. The sheet is there so you can see the same kind of data and selection behavior in Excel. You can copy the sample sheet, then try selecting A1 through A3 and watching how the status bar updates. That practice makes it much easier to remember where to look for the sum later. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.